So I'll talk about my journey first. I was educated in Kolkata. I had my schooling in Kolkata. I graduated from Presidency College, went on to study in JNU. So I was looking forward to supplementing this mainstream education with something that is hands-on, creative, innovative, something that interests them. So my ask is for 25 lakhs because I want to go big in Kolkata by advertising and increasing my sales force. So hello, we are Kolkata-based company. I belong from Varanasi. Shantanu is from Kolkata only. He has worked in Mumbai, gone to Jaipur, and then he has come back to Kolkata. He is my team head. So I'll talk about my journey first. I was educated in Kolkata. I had my schooling in Kolkata. I graduated from Presidency College, went on to study in JNU. I worked as assistant professor of biophysics in Mumbai. And then I got married and came back to Kolkata. I had a career break in between. Then I started back again. I did my postgraduate diploma in media management from ISWBM. And then I went into the workforce back again. But then COVID happened. And while I was working in my initial years, I had already saved some kind of money, to have my own venture at some point of time in my life. So during the COVID, and I have been in education industry for last 14 years. I studied in many premier institutions in India. I saw the best and I also saw the worst. The worst was always existing in the schools at the grassroots level. And this was always hurting at my conscience that we do need to supplement or do something about this grassroots education where the children get into the schooling system, but then again they are at the mercy of this homework and the routine work and the mundane whatever curriculum the school provides. So I was looking forward to supplementing this mainstream education with something that is hands-on, creative, innovative, something that interests them. And during the COVID, this thought actually solidified inside me that it has to be more tech-centric. So I started, thinking of having my own robotics venture. I started working during COVID only. I started in the B2C segment. And after the school started, I went into the B2B segment. So this is third year of my operation. I am already working with 5 premier schools in Kolkata. I have a team size of 10 and with 3 advisors on board. One is a business coach, 1 accountant, and 1 expert advisor from Australia. She is my colleague from JNU. She works in AI. She was here yesterday only. So my ask is for 25 lakhs because I want to go big in Kolkata by advertising and increasing my sales force and also putting some digital assets in place for automation and increasing the efficiency of my processes. And that's all. So I'm open to questions now.
How many years the company incepted?
This is third year, I've completed 2 years in March. So I got registered in 2019, but that was kind of pre-COVID. So offline, this will be third year of operation on my ground.
Okay, so you have all the 3 years of balance sheet?
Yeah, I filed my
ITR file.
ITRs, balance
What was the
sheets.
last revenue of your company?
Last month you are talking?
No, I'm just asking about the last fiscal year, 22, 22, 23. Yeah.
Revenues in terms of net paychecks from schools?
Whatever it is, yeah, you can
So
say
the turnover is 40 lakhs. Last year, 40 lakhs turnover, including my financial inputs as well as income from the schools.
Is it a net income you're talking about or just a revenue of the
It's
overall?
revenue. I am already invested by 1.5 crores and 40 lakhs was, kind of turnover, all the balance sheet.
No. I think you're not. We are
So I'm
talking about
not
turnover
getting-
is different, revenue is different. If you can understand what exactly I mean.
So revenue will be, you want exact figures?
Yeah, of course, because
24 lakhs.
okay. And you are raising for what? How much is your ask? 25.
25 lakhs.
It's fine with that. You can able to scale up your market for or what exactly? Or is it a
See,
short term plan?
It's 25 lakhs for 1 year. Like if you ask me, I want to invest 25 lakhs and then see how it goes. So if I do it right, I would not need further funding. I needed to put it in advertising and increasing my visibility.
This is just only for the marketing expenses you are planning to do it with this money?
Branding and increasing my sales force
Branding.
and on ground, B2B reach out.
Okay.
So what is the breakup? Where you actually going to spend this money? 25 lakh, and if you are clear about.
Yes, I'm very clear. See, like, according to the feedback that I have in Kolkata market, everybody, like, I'm working with premium schools. I work with, premium corporate houses also. So they say that you're doing such a good job and we are not aware about you. So I have a feeling that billboard marketing, newspaper coverage, and direct reach out with proper marketing supplementing materials will be very good for us.
Billboard is a very costly marketing
I
budget.
understand. I have already done my research. So I'm not going to go to, like exactly, I'm not going to compete with Tanishq, that I for sure. I'll be targeting the corporate areas, the office where, like IT sector parents, or what you call where the footfall of, like corporate areas, commercial office areas where,
So
like,
let's assume that you put 25 lakh into advertising, and
not
typically.
all 25 lakhs, not all 25 lakhs.
So what is the breakup like? How you're going to spend?
See, 5 lakhs in newspaper and billboard, around 6 lakhs for, paying new manpower or sales force, and 10 lakhs around printing materials and advertising like networking or corporate events, or, like inviting principals to some get together, or, having banquets, those kind of events.
How much business you can generate by spending this much amount? How much business you think that after spending all the amount, for example, we're giving you this investment to you, and you spend all the money into these breakup you just mentioned,
Yeah.
and how much money you are making out of this after spending this much money?
So in 1 year, if I'm spending 25 lakhs on advertising, from second year, I do expect to get a revenue of, like, increase in the revenue of at least 5 lakhs per month.
Very low revenue. If somebody is investing 25 lakh, you're saying only 5 lakh would be the increment.
No. It's like from. So I expect to get at least 10 or 20 school accounts from the next year. So if I spend 25 years, so the increase in the number of schools, like, see, I'm growing 100x, like 2 times. So whatever I'm doing at my operational cost, I'm increasing twice. But if I advertise, it will go 10x.
So you
yeah.
mentioned that maybe after this 25 lakhs, you might not need to raise more capital.
Yes, I
You
might
will
not. No, I
you
will
may
not. This
So
is
how
what
will
my-
you give an exit to your investors?
See, 1 year will be the locking period, because that is the 6 months is my
उसके बाद exit कैसे देंगे आप?
exit देंगे, like for every year of lock-in, the exhibitor, the investor will get like 0.25x, 1.25x.
पैसा रिटर्न कैसे करोगे?
हाँ, तो अगर मैंने 25 लाख दिए तो 25% for each year
मुझे वो पैसा चाहिए multiple of
profit
10. Then
in multiple of 10.
वही आप
In
कह रहे
multiple of 10, you will get after 2 years, only after 2 years.
थे 2 साल में आप 10x दे देंगे.
नहीं, 2 साल में I will not be able to 10x.
You are
No,
not
at all.
either understanding our question, or maybe you are getting confused. It's okay, fine. I think
Like
we call
to-
it off. Yeah, sure. Yeah, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much. Next, please.